Hi there. So I've installed an external SSD on my laptop which is having 240 GB of capacity. So you can see this one is that, and I have installed a fresh window on my SSD only. So what is having issue is every time I open the laptop I get this option like first one is SSD and second one is HDD of old OS, and every time it displays these things. So this is having problem which I am facing. So I will tell you this. If you are also facing the same problem, then I will tell you the solution that if you what you can do is, so after applying that solution it will automatically choose that and it will open the window on that SSD. So you have to make sure that which one is your SSD by opening both of them. Like I have opened first one and then I checked that okay, what is the capacity of this C drive and all, and I verified that first one is SSD and second one is HDD. For the solution, what you can do, you can press window key plus R and you can type the msconfig. After that click OK, then go to this boot option. You can see here is boot option. So in my case, for only one option is there. You can see window 10 C current OS, and there will be a default below there will be an option, external option. What you can do, click on that, and then this delete option will get enabled. Click on delete, then apply, and then click OK. And when you will do that, it will ask you for restart. After doing the restart, it will automatically face that window and open on that disk only. So it will not prompt you these two options, and it will get resolved.